Jai Hind sir. My name is Raj Tiwari and today topic terrorism. Terrorism is one of the most biggest threat to peace, humanity in whole world. It is a use of violence, fear and distraction to achieve political goals as well as personal goals. Terrorism terrorists killed innocent person in whole world who live peacefully in world, city as well as country. These are not a right because terrorism goal to destroy political parties, countries as well as person and terrorism want to rule in whole world because they not wanna government parties and innocent person and loktantrik, but sometimes we know that terrorism create biggest problem in whole world. We know that recently Pahalgam attack 26 person killed by terrorist because they rule in whole world and captures others land, house as well as uh, assets, but our countries protect to a person who live peacefully in world like India's biggest country to face terrorist in whole world like Pakistan, Bangladesh, sometimes Afghanistan, but our government strict rules like brave soldiers, technology enhanced CCTV monitors and drone and during drone monitors is a good step, but sometime we know sometime terrorism attacked in night and he killed 2 to 5 and more than 5 peoples in one time. Kashmir is the biggest uh, point tourism. That reason terrorist attack Kashmir. But I'm not talking about only India. I'm talking about the whole world, and effect terrorism like USA. USA government strict rules like after 2001 attack by the Pakistani terrorist to attack USA, and they destroy buildings and killed innocent persons who live in USA, and they only are purpose of uh, through their religions in whole world, but this is not a good way. This is a bad way to throw their religions in whole world. But after 2001 USA step good like a strength soldiers and monitor CCTV camera enhance their technology is a good point, and sometime USA, India, Israel, Russia, etc. countries who live in peacefully in whole world, and but terrorism terrorists day by day enhance their technology, and sometime I saw terrorists in create invention new missiles and destroy countries, and we know that Somalia is the biggest terrorism group in whole world who capture ships who go to other countries during the shipyard, and they captured and want to be millions of dollars their countries their companies, but sometimes companies throw the money, but sometimes Somalians terrorist group killed the captain who operate the ship. But terrorist only killed one way, good education. Without good education, you can't do anything in whole world. Like you read good habits, you read good knowledgeable skills. Like Mahatma Gandhi always said, guilty mind is always suspicious. Like who not educated and who not able to captures new words, new ethics in this world, who not survive peacefully, and their neighbors and their families member not lives peacefully because they are not educated. Education is one of the most powerful weapons who destroy horse terrorism groups. But uh, I, I wish in future terrorist group destroy in whole world and leave everyone peacefully in world. But sometime we everyone so political parties and create mump during religions and particulars cultures as well as and uh, jati. I saw some political peoples create terrorism groups, and but after that they not control their group and destroy their party because they are the only they party only wanna enhance their party and rule countries through to terrorism. But terrorism only wanna their religions uh, so whole world, and this is not a good way in political parties as well as terrorism. But I wish government as uh, government enhance their technology to protect our nation peacefully of terrorist. I wish. And Jai Hind sir, this is my topic, and tomorrow I will my best, and I crack NDA with AIR1, AIR1, AIR1. Jai Hind sir. Thank you.